amount of resistance and the likelihood of you having to reduce your price or reduce to something that's more relative to what those other properties have been is much more likely. And what does that mean? That means longer hold times in terms of the longer that it will take to sell the deal, which is generally going to be more costs that you incur to sell the home. Now, even if you're somebody that is using all of cash and you're not leveraging other people's money, you still need to look at it from a business standpoint that of the longer it takes to sell the house, it's kind of the less of a return you're getting on your money. Some people look at flipping a house of like it's just straight cash on cash. That's not necessarily a scalable way to look at it, but everybody has their own approach. And so these are all things that you need to take into consideration, is that especially newer investors that I mean, a lot of times they will go well out of their way and almost overpay on the construction and the rehab of a property